Hi, today we are going to learn probability. Let's go to the first question. A fair coin is tossed 10 times. What is the probability of getting at least one head? Usually, what is the probability of getting one head? It is 1 by 2. What is the probability of getting one tail? It is also 1 by 2. Okay, but the question is asked at least one head. That means minimum one head. So it can be one head, 2, 3 head, 4 head, like that you can count. But instead of doing that, check out which will not come. Okay, so all the 10 tails will not be possible, right? So what we can do is, what is the probability of getting all tails? That is 1 by 2 out of 10, that is 1 by 2 whole power 10, because we know that a coin is tossed 10 times, n of s will be 2 power 10. A coin is tossed one time, n of s will be 2 power 1, total sample space. Okay, let's go to the answer. Okay, probability of at least one head equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 10, that is 1023 divided by 1024. That is only one case where you will get all the 10 tails will not come in this question, will not come into the picture. Shall we go to the next question? X and Y are two numbers selected randomly from 1 to 3 up to 100. What is the probability X and Y are not equal? So you have to select one number from X, one number from Y, but the probability they are not equal. We can do the question in two different methods. One is like this: X can be any number out of 100. Okay, Y can also be any number from 1 to 100. But what is the condition they are given? But as per the condition of question, Y is not equal to X. That means, for example, if you select 1 from X, you should not select 1 from Y. That means remaining 99 numbers are possible. So answer is 99 out of 100. Either you can do like this or you can do the other way. So let us go for selecting both the numbers same. Okay, so X also you select the number same, Y also the same number. Okay, from X you select 1, from Y also you select 1, 1, 1, then from X you select 2, Y also 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, like that. If you do up to 100, you will get 100 cases. Okay, what is the probability of n? What is the probability of n of s? N of s is, from X there are 100 events, from Y also there are 100 events. Okay, so 100 into 100 will be 10,000. This 100 divided by 10,000, that means I said 1, 1, 2, 2, like that 100 cases are there. Total 100 by 10,000 is, when you simplify, 1 by 100. So 1 by 100 of the case, both the numbers will be same, but 99 by 100 of the number, both the numbers are not equal. This is second method. Okay, let's go to the next question. What is the probability of drawing a king from a pack of cards? Okay, totally how many cards are there? 52 cards. Joker card not included. 1 or 2, both cards, joker is not included. So what is n of s? N of s is 52. So there are 4 kings in a pack of cards. Okay, 4 kings. So you have to select a king. Okay, that means 4c1. Selection is nothing but combination. What is 4c1? Nothing but 4. So probability equal to n of a by n of s. So probability of getting an event of getting a king is 4 by 52. What is 4 by 52? When you simplify, you will get 1 by 13. Shall we go to the next question? 2 cards are drawn at a random from a deck of cards. Find the probability that both being king. What is the difference between the previous question and this question? From 4, you have to get a king from a pack of cards. This particular question, you have to select 2 cards that should be king. How to do this? How many king cards are there? Okay, so 2 cards can be selected from a deck of cards is 52c2. What is 52c2? 52 into 51 divided by 1 into 2. Okay, so out of 4 kings, 2 can be drawn in 4c2 ways, because total 4 kings, they need 2 kings. Okay, 4c2. What is 4c2? 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. So what is the probability? Probability is nothing but 4c2 by 52c2. So numerator will be 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. Denominator will be 52 into 51 by 1 into 2. So once you simplify, okay, so once you simplify, you will get 6 by 1326. But what is the lowest fraction of 6 by 1326? It is 1 by 221. Simple. Shall we go to the next question? The probability of Pavitra and Hema passing an exam is 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 respectively. Find the probability that exactly one of them passes the exam. What is the probability of Pavitra passing the exam? 2 by 3. What is the probability of Hema passing an exam? 3 by 4. How to do this? So we have 3 different columns, one for pass, another for fail. The other one I have left blank to represent the name. So let me take the first name. So what is the name given to us? Pavitra. So Pavitra passing is, what is the possibility? 2 by 3. So what is the probability of Pavitra fails? It is 1 by 3, because 2 by 3 times she passes, 1 by 3 times she may fail. Okay. Then what is the next one? Hema. What is the probability that Hema passes? Is 3 by 4. The probability of Hema fails is 1 by 4 because total is 1. Okay. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 should be 1. Okay. Probability lies between 0 to 1. So question is exactly one of them passes. Okay. Exactly one means if Pavitra passes, Hema has to fail. If Hema passes, Pavitra has to fail. A passes, B has to fail. B passes, A has to fail. So what you have to take is just exactly one is you take diagonally 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 next plus 3 by 4 into 1 by 3 because it is diagonal. If Pavitra passes, Hema should fail. If Hema passes, Pavitra should fail. So the final answer will be 5 by 12. Clear? Shall we go to the next question? The probability of Pavitra and Hema passing an exam is 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 respectively. Find the probability that at least one of them passes the exam. Okay, at least one pass, meaning what is the meaning of this? Exactly one and both also. So how to do this? The same column what we did earlier. So Pavitra passing probability is 2 by 3, failing is 1 by 3. Hema passing probability is 3 by 4, failing probability is 1 by 4. Okay. Let's go to this one. Exactly 1. First let us find exactly 1. As we have got the answer in the previous case. That is diagonal multiplication. If Pavitra passes, Hema has to fail. If Hema passes, Pavitra has to fail. That is diagonally you have to multiply. 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. So answer is 5 by 12. This is exactly 1. Now you have to go for both also. Both, please remember both pass. Where you have to take either the middle one or the last one. Yes, very good. So you have to take the middle one. So both passes equal to 2 by 3 into 3 by 4, the middle column. So once you multiply, you will get 1 by 2. So what is the answer now? At least one is exactly 1 plus both. So 5 by 12 plus 6 by 12. So that 1 by 2 I have written as 6 by 12. 6 by 12 is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay. So most of the question make the denominator same or take equivalent fractions. So answer is 11 by 12. Okay, shall we go to the last question for this session? Kovilur Kannan. Kovilur is a place very near to Karaikudi, okay, and very near to Pilliyarpatti. Kovilur Kannan and Coimbatore Natarajan are invited to attend a party. The probability of Kovilur Kannan and Coimbatore Natarajan going to the party is 0.25 and 0.5 respectively. If the probability of both going together is 0.15, what is the probability that neither of them go to the party? So what do you mean by neither of them go to the party? They are not going to the party. So this question we can either do with the formula also. We know this formula, right? P of A in and B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So everything is given there. So 0.25 plus 0.5 minus 0.15 equal to 0.6. This formula is same as N of A in and B. N of A in B and P of A in and B both are same. N of A in and B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. But here the question is, what is the probability neither of them go to the party? So what you have to do is, you have to subtract this 1 minus 0.6 because both go to the party is 0.6. Neither of them go to the party is 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4. Clear? Thanks for watching this video. Kindly do remember to subscribe this channel.